Come on, guys. Let's go. Hi, guys. Look, some new friends. Hi, friends. Look, guys, friends. Hi. Hello. Whose doggy are you? With the other walker. Hello. Which company?
Rough Stuff.
Ah, Rough Stuff. We have run into Rough Stuff.
Yeah.
And they're doggies.
Many dogs.
Yeah.
Hello.
Just making a little video for the
clients.
because we got a couple that are one that's like first day.
Yeah, it's always nice. Everybody loves pictures and videos.
Yeah.
Can never be enough.
And then we've got that little one that's like third day.
This
Isn't
guy,
he cute?
he is adorable.
I love him.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you have a
Bulldog.
bulldog.
Yep.